Koto mauri anete na nyara rite ya pesiloka kironu koteso atupuru chukana lolo. Jonas Moses Chibungo lo ingara kite minisa lo akironu koteso Dr. Clement Kenesonga lo bote ngesie balebe itegi atos kesbere project lo aira IKITO ko district ani Kanyangon luda epote kangoli diope adumu ni miloni na kaisare e project lo nesie bala Chibungo ebe e buni adauni karikai.
Project is a pilot project which targeted only 9 local governments, and these included Katakwi, Serere, Soroti, Parisa, Kumi, Bukedeya, Galaki, Amuria, and Taperebion. It is not that these are the most hit districts environmentally. It's just that this was a pilot. We had to have somewhere to start from. But we have plans of rolling out this project across TESO sub-region. The budget for this project for this year for each district is 20 million shillings. And this allocation was depending on available funds. And I remember in the previous meeting, the minister promised that whichever local government performed better, that performance would be a basis for increased funding.
Chora Kichibungo Apollo Kinito na Jakanuto, ai chata wajune be itodol kinete project lo ejo.
I encourage you, chief administrative officers and other leaders, to ensure that we put these seemingly little funds to good use such that we can optimize the benefits.
Sirginlu bilona kaisari kidioko Minister of Affairs. Bele rounded the best yataino nyo chekapun. So lots of kapedi suktal manami Tamson pedora es fama kin kapun mun fama diobore.
Konye ilosi angole arikwana be etepe kon bay. Once be mametepe chai. Mam si buneto som sirigin rosa jala kina o bank o jasi onye wan se be chaye tepe e jasa kipine doltos buna AIRAIA IKITO mun amagoro no APUGAN kedal poko no APUGAN de mambo rja toma anu anyi bi buna tikitiki ya tukushongun emuna munaite sobane deke.
It's a good program because, as you all know, TESO is highly affected as far as environmental issues are concerned. Ideally, we should have started implementation, but I'm glad that we are finalizing with the worker plans so that OPM is able to send down finances for reactivities to begin.
Apollo Kinito kaja kanuto ko district analwegelegela kane koteso kesi esumuni kisi asoma gogo keda asoma kalwe ya itosa kironu isubane deke ai moriarity tunga kanua itojo kare kuselo ikwamin
Seba nete mo tukusongun ikoro kana gara raiki to kabale Minister of Affairs Christian Kengare no be kana neto yukare subane deke dara jokojo alemasi akorna ronon era IKITO lore IKITO chudo baka lokolo kui mere bulu tetaka.
So isirgin kwa likosa gweli to lepo tezi pepe jok dosa korna rosomero ya korna rotemwan akorna kinto ni ngunda akoro kle pera chamna petito kwenye ne polo kakere ikosa mene be e jaunosi to nguli persona dar kapapugan.
We think that if more money is put in, especially in wetland restoration, that will really help. If we can go in as government to restore the wetlands, but also reseed them with improved grass to graze our animals during drought.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, Koibuga Soroti.